Hey, how you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door. We're here on another one of our emergency underground parking garages, although this one here is not an emergency. We didn't put this opener in. It's not a LiftMaster. I think it's a Johnny Green Power Master. But they're having problems with this thing getting jammed with the release to use it manual, so we had it just seal to the floor, and we put in a 7-inch bottom rubber so that it seals to the floor nice. This is a 10x8 straight vertical lift. We did put the springs in, and we replaced this door before. They've hit it a few times, but that's what we did here today. We just put on that big bottom rubber on the commercial service call here. So we stuffed it on the ends with like a thick foam so that it doesn't fold or anything. And that's it. We got a couple struts on the door here, heavy hardware. Like I said, it's a straight vertical lift. And here we go, open sesame. That's it. Piece of cake. It is on a timer, so this thing will time out. I'm going to step over the photo eyes and then see we're downtown Downers Grove. I'm not going to tell you exactly where, but it's snowing out in November already. Gotta love that. The preferred drink of the late night service guys here. A little snow action going on the 11th of November. Any second now this timer should go off as long as the car don't come. Should be good here. But for all your needs, call Innovative Garage Door for all your commercial needs. 630, here we go, 271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com or visit us in person at 650 Ogden. Thanks for watching our service call emergency bottom rubber on the garage door, whatever you want to call this video. We do have all the rubbers for all sizes of the floors that are messed up. Give us a call, 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage you to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.